Hi, it's Barbara Greenlee with Green Moon Stamp Studio, and this is going to be just a quick video to tell you all about my 12 weeks of Christmas. Let's get started. Okay, this is a quick video. I wanted to show you the first design that I've come up with for my 12 weeks of Christmas. I do this every year and it's by email, so you'll want to get on my email list if you aren't already on it. So this will be the first one, and I liked it so much that I made it in green too. So this paper is beautiful. I plan to make one in every color for the papers that are in that package. So this is the, I can't remember what the paper is called, but it's the Peaceful Evergreens bundle, and Peaceful Season, I believe, is the words. And then this is the inside and the envelope. So just beautiful paper, all the gold foil. So let me tell you a little bit about my 12 weeks of Christmas. It's going to be an email every Wednesday. If you're, like I said, if you're already on my mailing list, then you'll be getting those. There'll be a link in the email that will take you to the PDFs with all the measurements for the project that week. And you can just download the PDFs. Most of the projects are going to be cards, but around week 9 I will shift to gift ideas and home decor, and then the last 2 weeks will probably be based on wrapping and gift tags. So 12 projects in total. That's all free. All you have to do is be on my email list. Another advantage to being on my email list is that every Wednesday you'll get projects. I occasionally have contests. I'll let you know about promotions, and I throw in some tips and tricks on crafting. I'll have all my class information for online classes and in-person classes. And then at the bottom of every email, I have a schedule of important dates, and including my class schedule. So get on my mailing list. I will put a link below the video, or you can just go to greenmoonstampstudio.com. You should get a little pop-up to join the mailing list, or you can go in the margin, the little sidebar, or at the bottom. So thanks.